Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do question number 5. So let us start. A, B, C and D are points on a circle with center O. Angle COD is equal to 124 and angle BCO is equal to 35. So the first question is work out angle CBD and give a geometrical reason. So if you can see in the figure, 124 is the angle at the center, and for CD, angle DOC is the angle at the center, which is 124, and so angle DBC is angle in the segment. So this is 124 divided by 2, which is 62 degrees. So angle CBD, which is the required angle, this is half of the angle at the center, and so 62 degrees is equal to 62 degrees because angle at center is twice the angle in the segment, right? That is the first answer. So let us get to the second part. Work out angle BAD. So we are talking about angle BAD. Now give a geometrical reason for each step of your working. First of all, let us find out what angle BAD is. So if you can see in this uh, triangle COD, it is isosceles because OC is equal to OD, and so this angle and this angle are equal, and so we can write this angle is equal to 180 minus 124 divided by 2, which is 56 divided by 2, which is 28 degrees, and so this angle is 63 degrees now. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral, and so if this is 63 degrees, this will be 180 minus 63, which is 117 degrees, and that is the answer that we want. So the correct answer is 117. So let us work out first of all. So triangle OCD is isosceles because since OC is equal to OD, therefore angle OCD is equal to 180 minus 124 divided by 2, which is 56 divided by 2, 28 degrees. So therefore angle BCD will be equal to 35 degrees plus 28 degrees, and this is equal to 63 degrees. Okay, so in the first case this is an isosceles triangle. In the second case we are finding out 63 degrees. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That implies sum of opposite internal angles is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees, and from here I can write angle BAD is equal to 180 degrees minus 63 degrees, which is 117 degrees. So because triangle OCD is isosceles, again I am writing everything that is there, and so that implies angle BCD will be 63 degrees, and so now again sum of opposite internal angles is 180. So you will copy the two answers here, and the final answer would be 117 degrees. Okay, so don't forget copying them where the lines are given, and that's it. That finishes the question. Now let us come to part B. Okay, so we can see that O is the center. P, Q, R and S are points on a circle centered O. QS is a diameter. Angle PRS is equal to 42 degrees and PQ is equal to 5.9 centimeters. Calculate the circumference of the circle. So the most important thing that we need is QS is diameter. That implies angle SPQ is angle in semicircle. So if QS is diameter, then angle SPQ will be a semicircle. And so what is angle SPQ? That implies angle SPQ is equal to 90 degrees. So this is the part we need to be careful with. And that's it. The problem is almost done. Once you find out that it is 90 degrees and it is given that angle PRS is 42. So next we can say that angle SRP or PRS and PQS are angles in the same segment. Angle PRS and angle PQS are angles in the same segment. And since they are in the same segment, that implies angle PQS is equal to angle PRS is equal to 42 degrees. So therefore, in this figure, we know that this is 42 degrees. This is 90, this is 42. So now let us draw PQS triangle here. This is 42. And what do we know? We know that this is 5.9 centimeters. This is right angle triangles. So in triangle PQS, what I know is cos 42 degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and adjacent is 5.9 divided by SQ. So therefore SQ, which is equal to 2R, because it is the diameter, is 5.9 divided by 42 degrees. So I found out the value of the diameter. Now they are asking me to calculate the circumference. That's it. Once we find out the value of the diameter, it is done. So the circumference is given by 2 pi r, that is equal to pi into 2r, and this value is pi into 5.9 divided by cos 42 degrees. I can either calculate the value here, I can calculate the final value here. And once I do that, this value comes out to be 24.9418363 and so on. And so if I cut the answer to two significant figures or two decimal points, since one is less than 5, nothing will change. So the answer is 24.94 centimeters. And this finishes the question. So if compared to the easy question, the most important point you should remember here is that it is a semicircle and angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.